I'm Ming Robinson, and today I'm joined by the Green Devil, where we're going to talk about the sustainable essentials to pack for move-in. Bring your bike for sustainable transit, and don't forget your helmet and a lock. But if you don't have those, we got you covered with our red and green bike programs. Bring the clothing you already have. No need to buy new. We have our free exchange, our campus thrift store, and local thrifts for all the things you need. Do that one. Bring your own to-go cups, utensils, and Tupperware to minimize food waste. Bring a reusable bag to shop local, like our farmers market, Farmers on the Square, on Wednesdays. Here we have the Handlebar, our free bicycle maintenance cooperation, right off of Dickinson Walk and underneath Davidson Wilson Hall. I can't forget my reusable water bottle. We have refill stations in many of our academic and our residential buildings. If you forget anything, we have our decent market, open to our Dickinson community, where you can buy, sell, trade goods and services. Located in Kaufman Hall is our Center for Sustainability Education. If you have any questions about or want to be a part of any of our initiatives or programs, stop by. That was a nice trip.